double queen patio balcony suite. Couple of chairs and tables, hooks for the bathing suits. Got this room at a steel. Obviously, because of the construction, you got some obstructed views. You can see all the other suites over there, overlooking the outside pool and the Cool Loon patio bar and grill. Off in the distance are the cottages, the Great Wolf Cottages. Past all the scaffolding, and the mini putt starts going around where that big slide is in front of this building. We got these rooms with just sliding windows.